I think people are like, oh, I have to be an influencer so I can get stuff, I have to do this. No girl, all you have to do is go to your 9 to 5. So today we're talking about 5 perks of working in the beauty industry. I put this on because I thought it would make me look more official. This is the first time I've actually ever worn this, but it's giving like she works at Mac or Sephora, right? I don't. I feel like a few of you probably know where I work, but that's besides the point. This video is all about perks of working in the beauty industry. I've been in the beauty industry, we're gonna say, for 4 years. Yeah, we're gonna give it 4 years because I did do 2 years at Target and I feel like that is beauty industry. Okay, so if you're excited for this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, but let's just get started. Oh, and subscribe. Let's get right to it. The first big perk, and maybe the biggest perk, is that you get a lot of free stuff working in the beauty industry. I wouldn't say so much in retail, Target specifically, but the past 2 jobs I've had, either the company has granted me free stuff from, you know, their product line, or I've had the opportunity to get free stuff from the company as well as free stuff from other companies. So how it works is that brands are always doing like giveaways with each other. So they'll do like giveaways where you'll partner with the brand and then they'll give product away to their following, but oftentimes they'll be like, hey, do you guys want to do a little product swap? And then that's where the fun happens, because like we'll send our product line and they send theirs. And let me just tell you guys some of the stuff I got. Okay, so in the last video you guys just saw, I don't know if it's gonna go with this video or the next video, but I got Fenty, honey. Like, I've gotten freaking tons of Uoma Beauty. Oh my gosh, you guys, I've gotten Clean Skin Club, Rizzo Curls, Stratia, Hyperskin. Like, you guys, it's just a lot. I've gotten bags from Size, the Protect Black Women brand. Like, you guys, it's just been like, it is a perk. I think people are like, oh, I have to be an influencer so I can get stuff, I have to do this. No girl, all you have to do is go to your 9 to 5. Like, you can get free stuff there too, you know. I'm not complaining. So yeah, that is pretty much the biggest perk, or one of the biggest perks. Probably like the most glamorous perk is like sometimes you just come home with like a bunch of stuff and you literally have to give it away. Like, I've given my cousins so much free stuff because I'm just like, I don't know what to do with it. Like, just take it. So you don't have to be an influencer to get free stuff, you guys. Just work with a beauty brand. Okay, so the second perk of working in the beauty industry is that you get to network. So aside from, you know, all of oh, I've also gotten a lot of Sunday to Sunday, side note, because we network with them a lot. So it's a little messy because I actually use it, but this is an active hair care brand and I actually been using this with my cornrows underneath my wig a lot. Like, I have 3 bottles of this. The apple cider vinegar, especially if you have braids, either cornrows, you know, braids, cleanse the scalp, that's over there. Anyways, back to networking. So you get to work with all of these brands, sometimes with product swaps, sometimes for events. Sometimes brands just want to know like, oh, I want to implement this, how are you doing it? So the networking is great. Some people use these networking opportunities to go on to bigger and higher positions, but it's also just really nice, you know, to either getting more brand opportunities. It's just like a lot of these brands are small businesses, you guys, which I think people forget. It's like they're not running big like L'Oreal, you know, or Fenty. So, you know, just seeing like a small brand entrepreneur's ideas come to life and be in Target and Sephora and Ulta and all of that is like super cool. And a lot of that happens through networking. So like, one brand will share what they do with others, but not too much, because you don't, like, everyone wants to be successful in their own way. So networking is really cool. It gets you into a lot of really cool events too. So speaking of events, let's segue into the third perk, which is the events. So in my Fenty haul, you guys, I'm still not over this. In my Fenty haul, I got like a box of Fenty, like literally a box of Fenty from going to event. It's called Beauty Fest YouTube. Yeah, that was cool. But yeah, so regardless, you go to these events and usually it's like free food. Brands always want like their designated drink or their inspired drink. So free food, free drinks, not food, free. The brand is paying for it. But again, more time to network, another time to get free stuff. And these events are really fun. Sometimes they have like celebrities or just even big influencers there too. So you just feel like so cool, and like a lot of times I'm working the event, but aside from that, you feel really cool. Just being in this area and being able to be like a nice house, nice venue, bomb food, you know. So yeah, the networking is cool, but the events are even cooler. Okay, so getting into the fourth perk of working in the beauty industry is, I forgot, I have to look at my notes. Okay, company culture. So a lot of times, like I was saying, you guys, these are smaller brands unless you work for a big brand. I've yet to work for like a huge beauty brand yet. Target, I say beauty because a lot of people get their beauty products from Target, and I did work like in the, we're not gonna go into Target. Anyways, so most of these companies are smaller brands, so they have like really cool culture. Even the big ones too. The big ones have like the kitchens and like the coffee houses inside, but even the smaller ones, like they do a really good job at like making the office culture feel like cool, calm, laid back. So like usually it's like you can wear casual clothes to work. Your coworkers are really cool and they're really, really talented. Like there's so many crazy talented people in the beauty industry that you guys just have no idea. Like the photographers, the videographers, the marketers, the salespeople, the web designers, like these people are brilliant, and they're just all like people like from creative to like super smart, just collabing together to like bring this product to life and out to you guys. It's just so cool to be in that umbrella. And you guys will see like, and everyone thinks like beauty people are like people that always wear makeup, get dressed, like look perfect, but no, like everyone, like you just can have people with all different walks of life coming together to work in the beauty industry, because at the end of the day it's a paycheck, honey. Like but no, I can't say that. I've had quite a few jobs in my career. That's a whole nother video for a whole nother day. But I would say working in an industry and doing what you love to do is really cool. And you'll find actually quite a few passionate people in the beauty industry, because a lot of people love the idea of working somewhere where you get to see people like transform when they, like, you know, the transformation where, you know, you don't feel good about yourself, you put on this beauty product and you're like, oh, I feel amazing. Like people love that. Some people hate that because they're like, you should just feel pretty natural. Anyways, so moral of the story is you work with a lot of really smart people, and it's not pressure to always be pretty. A lot of creative people too. Office culture's chill. And when I mean chill, like every beauty brand I've worked at, not only are the people chill, but like, okay, let's just get to it. The kitchens are like fully stacked. Like they have so much food. The coffee machines there are amazing. The company I work at now, we get catered lunch every single day, and we live in LA, honey, okay? So we be like choosing some really good food. So love like a fully stocked kitchen, love, you know, coffee machines, and it's just like, I don't know, I've worked in regular office buildings where like you have to bring your lunch every day, and like you only get like hot coffee pot, and it's like real basic, and you have to like go out and buy your food every day. But no, like it's most beauty companies, like they really want like a really cool office culture. So I really like that about the beauty industry. The fifth perk, which is probably the most exciting for me personally, is that you get to see like a full business cycle of like how something came from like ideation to life. So I feel like a lot of times when you work in like an office company or like, I don't know, real estate, finance, like finance, I think you get to see it sometimes too, or accounting, just anything else. Maybe if you worked in construction. Moral of the story is you get to see how something went from someone's idea and how like it's literally something that everybody uses. And I feel like that is crazy. And you also get to see a lot of what goes behind it. So like the marketing, the fulfillment process, the sales part of it, the finance part of it, the customer service, the hiring. Like, you get to see a lot of that when you work for beauty brands, and like how much it takes to put stuff on the shelf or even just make it available for the normal consumer to shop. And a lot of people don't get that. A lot of people also think that, and I'm guilty of it too, I'm like known to leave like a review in a hot quick second, but a lot of people forget that brands are ran by people. And I think that we get really upset, like, this brand should do this brand should do that, and da 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 da. Like, people really humanize corporations, but they also dehumanize them at the same time. Like, they want the corporation, or they want the brand to treat them like a human, but they don't always treat the brand like a human. And I mean that with like social media, and like, you know, just how like customer service, that's a huge thing too with beauty brands too, seeing the customer service aspect. But I don't know, people just aren't nice in the beauty industry, so that's probably one of the downsides, and that can be saved for another video. But if you guys liked this video and would like to hear more about this, or I don't know, sometimes I don't want to share too much of my private life online, but yeah, that is the 5 perks of working in beauty industry for me. So let me know which one was your favorite, and if you guys work in the beauty industry. I kind of just want to know where everybody works, if you guys feel the need to comment on this video. But yeah, I will see you guys in the very next video. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I'll link the Fenty one, my Fenty haul, somewhere up here. I don't know if this one's going live or that one, but I'll link it somewhere. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.